Okay, so gonna look at a Darce feed rolling Gregorian from knee shield half guard. So from our position, chest playing his knee shield, got me in half guard, he kicks up and wins the underhook. Okay, so immediately from there, this Darce feed entrance, I'm coming underneath. Obviously I can grab the lapel, put him down a little bit, and then I can start to open up the double swing. I have the tip of it, I'm passing it from my left hand to my right hand. And now from there I'm just going to push my left hand on the mat, push up, and I'm rolling over my right shoulder, and as I roll over my right shoulder, my left hand is going to push on the chest head, and I bring my leg over the head. And now from this position I'm just pushing on the knee. Get the finish. Again, let's just give another angle on that. Just move this way, bro. So we're in the Z guard. Shay kicks up, wins that underhook. I'm immediately putting on the whizzer, finding the collar, finding his elbow, and just using my weight to put him back down onto the side. From there I open up my lapel, pass it over his right shoulder, let go of the collar, and make that first initial grip. Once I'm there, I just put my left hand on the mat, push with my feet, and as I roll over my right shoulder, my left leg pushes on the side of his head, and I get my leg over his shoulder. Now ideally I'd want to try and free my knee a little bit, so I'll be pushing on his shoulder to try and bring my knee through. Now he still will be pinching his legs together to keep my foot in, but I've freed my knee. That just gives me a lovely little wedge here at his left hip. So now I just push on the inside of my knee, and I have that Darce feed Gregorian. We'll get one more angle on that one. So from our position, she's coming up, probably trying to play the whole leech half guard position. Even from there, I can immediately, I'm making my grip, I can just come through and pass that off. There's your front headlock position, turn of the wrist. I have my grip, then I want to put him down. And now from there, I just push. And as I roll over my right shoulder, I push on his head, get my leg to the other side. Again, if I can free my knee line so it's coming in at the near side hip, and then I can just push on the inside of the knee. So that's hitting the Darce feed rolling Gregorian from knee shield half guard top position.